Hi, this is Chef Bugsy and welcome to Get Veganized. Hi, today on Get Veganized we're going to make some vegan mozzarella cheese. Alright, let's get started. Alright, most of this is made in the blender and then it's cooked on the stove. I've already pre-measured a lot of stuff, so here we go. First thing is a 1/4 cup of cashews, and you soak them in boiling water for 15 minutes. You drain the cashews and put them into your blender, like so. Next we add a teaspoon of lemon juice, a teaspoon of salt, 3 tablespoons of cornstarch, third cup of melted coconut oil that has the smell removed. 1½ cups of water, and 1 tablespoon of maple syrup. Okay, let me get the blender up here. Here it is. It looks like a milky substance. We're going to pour it into a saucepan and cook it until it thickens. Okay, now it's ready to take off the stove and pour into a container. Look how creamy that is. Alright, and there you have it. Vegan cashew mozzarella cheese. Into the fridge for a couple hours and it'll be ready to use. Alright. Thanks for watching. I'll see you on the next video. Hi, this is Chef Bugsy with Get Veganized, and I hope you enjoyed the video today. And if you liked it, you can give me a thumbs up and please subscribe below. Thanks for watching.